Do you even remember your dream house? How big is it? And how many rooms does it have? Maybe you've put a video game room or probably a room just for your luxurious cars. But Mukesh Ambani turned that dream into a reality in his 27-story private home. Today at Finance Per, we will talk about the luxurious and grand Antilia building. But for more videos about finance, technology, and business, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Rising to a staggering 27 stories, or about 173 meters, or 568 feet tall, enough to have a clear view of the perfect view of the Arabian Sea. This private property is owned by Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani. The property stands at 4,532 square meters of land, with almost 400,000 square feet of living space. It also comes with many luxurious amenities as well. It houses 9 high-speed elevators, a 50-seat theater, terrace gardens, a swimming pool, a spa, a health center, a temple, a ballroom, 3 helipads, and one of its most amazing features, a snow room that spits out snowflakes from the walls. The building also comes with a 168-car garage on the first 6 floors to house Ambani's luxury car collection, such as the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, a Bentley Continental, Phantom, and the Aston Martin Rapide. But with an expensive house, it also requires 600 support staff. Reportedly, the house cost around $2 billion to be built. It is also considered as the world's most expensive private residence. It is earthquake-proof up to a magnitude 8 earthquake. And nearly all of the residential rooms in the building are filled with chandeliers. The building is currently a home for Ambani's family of 6, his wife, 3 children, and his mother. The building was designed by 2 U.S. architecture firms, Perkins & Will based in Chicago, and Hirsch Bedner Associates in Los Angeles. Nita Dalal Ambani was impressed by the firm's design of the contemporary Asian interiors of the Mandarin Oriental in New York. The building's construction started in 2007 with Leighton Asia taking charge and was completed by Billionaire and Company in 2010. But who is Mukesh Ambani? And how was he able to build this huge property? Mukesh Ambani was born on April 19, 1957, in the Crown Colony of Aden, or now Yemen. Ambani graduated from the Institute of Chemical Technology with a degree in chemical engineering. He then enrolled for an MBA at Stanford University, but withdrew in 1980 to help his father with their business called Reliance. Ambani's father believed that experience and real-life skills are better than studying in a classroom. That is why Ambani's father recalled him from Stanford so he can manage the operations of his father's yarn manufacturing company. In 1981, after returning from Stanford, he immediately helped with the rise of his father's business called Reliance Industries Limited. And by that time, it was expanding to the petrochemical refining business as well. The company also expanded in the retail and telecommunications sector as well, creating the subsidiary Reliance Retail and Reliance Jio Infocom. As of October 2020, Ambani was Asia's richest person and 6th wealthiest in the world, surpassing Jack Ma of the Alibaba Group. He has a net worth of around $44.3 billion. According to China's Hurun Research Institute, Ambani is the 5th in Indian philanthropist as of 2015. He was also appointed Director of Bank of America, the first non-American to be on its board. Forbes also labeled him as one of the richest sports owners, having owned the Indian Premier League team, Mumbai Indians, and the founder of the Indian Super League. He married Nita Ambani in 1985 and had 2 sons and a daughter. In 2007, Ambani gifted Nita a $60 million Airbus A319 for her 44th birthday with a capacity of 180 passengers, custom fit with a bedroom, sky bar, and a jacuzzi. He is also a strict vegetarian and completely avoids alcohol. Having a luxurious life seems to need a lot of money. But do you know what's free? Subscribing to our channel for more videos about finance, technology, and business. But aside from all the praises about the Antilia building, it also faced criticism and hate. Ratan Tata, the former chairman of Tata Group, stated that the person who lives in there should be concerned about what he sees around him and asking how he can make a difference. If he cannot, then it's sad, because this country needs people to allocate some of their enormous wealth to finding ways of mitigating the hardship that people have. It makes me wonder why someone would do that. That's what revolutions are made of. The irony is that the building was built only a few kilometers south of the world's biggest slum, or the Dharavi slums, an area of around 2.39 kilometers with a population of around 700,000 to 1 million inhabitants. Even the purchase of the land was clouded in controversy. The land that he bought for $4.4 million from a group that operated an orphanage. The building also received flack from Mumbai residents too. They criticized the building as an ostentatious display of wealth in a country where many people live on less than $2 a day. Gyan Prakash, a history professor at Princeton University, stated in an interview that it is one thing to brashly announce your arrival in the Billionaires Club by looking down on the rest of the city from your gated community in the sky, but then you may realize that it is lonely at the top. It is true that the Antilia building is one of the most beautiful private homes at the present time. With its amenities and features, the home can be considered a paradise in the middle of the slums. But do you think that the Antilia building was overhyped? Was it planned in the wrong place? Let me know in the comments below. But for more videos about finance, technology, and business, please subscribe to our channel. This is Finance Spur. Have an awesome day.